Alright, this is going to be a bit of a nice excursion. Where are we going?
Picnic Street.
Picnic Street. So, quick history about Picnic Street. It's on a street, it's a road. It gets full every night of people bringing their little stalls and selling food along the side of the street. So it's like the street food place in Siem Reap. We've got our super spectacular tour guide who refuses to be on film.
No.
Alright, here we are at Picnic Street. So let's go for a wander. Stop fighting, you two. No fighting or you both go on the internet. So what's this?
Cricket.
Crickets. So we've got crickets.
Beetle.
Huh, what's that?
Water beetle.
Water beetles. Crickets with lemongrass and chili.
Spring onion.
Let's have a look at some of the stuff here on the barbecue. This is just fantastic. So we've got tray. Tray tom, tray toit. Big fish, little fish. What's that? Quail? Quail? Yeah, quail. Groit. Check my tick tick. What else you got here? So you got meat skewers.
Liver and stuff.
Ni on cloud. Jay on cloud. Jay on cloud. English sounds like bis.
Oh.
So what's that, Channa?
Bum.
Huh?
Chicken bum.
Chicken bum. Chicken bottom? That's all chicken bottoms.
Chicken wing. No. Beef.
Chicken bottoms and chicken livers.
Piglet. Chicken piglet.
Chicken what?
Piglet. There's hard stuff I usually buy from the supermarket.
We'll find out. Chicken thing you buy from the supermarket that starts with P. We'll find out what it looks like at home.
And eggs. Chicken
And
eggs.
little eggs
Inside
as well.
inside the chicken.
Okay.
Before it came out. This would be interesting for Westerner.
Yeah. So you get the chicken and the egg into one thing. It is too. Roadside karaoke. So we've got the... So look at that speaker in there. Like that. What are you excited about?
Food.
But what food specifically?
Everything.
Everything. So what's he got? More of the same sort of thing? Oh, that looks nice. That looks good. That chicken looks nice. So they spatchcock it and grill it on the in between the bamboo. Made your selections. Yeah. So, how much for those 4 things? Yeah. So $1.75 for 4 skewers. So they're cooked and he just puts them on there to warm them up. Here's the kitchen over here.
No, giblet, not giblet.
Giblets.
Giblets.
Giblets,
Yes,
that's what it was. All right. So the thing that we started with P is called giblets. We're close. So chicken giblets. So let's have this look at his cooking setup a bit closer. It's just a big metal box basically with charcoal in there and the grates. And he's got his basting in there, which just looks like what's his basting? Sugar.
Fried oil.
Sugar.
Vegetable oil.
Yep.
And Chinese curry.
Some curry powder. Okay, so vegetable oil, sugar, and like some curry seeds. Okay. And that's what gives these things some flavour. Look at that thing come off. Oh. He's got his rags under here. Probably sitting there. And it gets served in what? Banana leaf.
No, this is lotus.
Huh?
Lotus leaf.
Or a leaf of some sorts.
Lotus leaf.
Lotus leaf. Okay. Oh, and they're getting a bit of salt and chili as well.
Tamarind.
Tamarind as dipping sauce. So it's not just picnic streets, it's just a general market. So this guy's just set up his jeans shop. I thought that was someone falling over down there. There seems to be a lot of touristy type stuff here, like the Angkor Wat t-shirts, Year of the Pig stuff. Just in case tourists, in case locals want to wear it.
Tourists come.
Here's some nice formal dresses. It seems a peculiar place to set up a formal dress shop on the side of the road on Picnic Street.
Put it this way, they're selling everything.
It's a bazaar is what it is, isn't it? It's the Grand Bazaar of Siem Reap. Ooh, hello. Shorts. My favourite shorts when travelling have elastic on them, which will allow you to drink and eat a lot without squeezing your guts. Who are they? What are they doing on the t-shirt?
Thai.
Oh, they're Thai movie stars. Ah, there's some more over here. Ah, so like that. Yes. Akun. Beautiful girl. Oh, here's the nice pyjama sets.
Pajama Channa.
Ah, Channa.
Channa.
Yeah. For you, nice matching pajamas. For you, nice matching pajamas.
What did you say?
Nice matching pajamas, top and bottom, matching. Yes?
You said it's nice?
Yeah?
Nah.
No, not for you.
No. This is for like 60 years old lady.
Tried on a couple of pairs of shorts here, and I think they're built for locals because they're small. Not built for Western legs. It's okay. I don't think I've ever seen Adidas or Nike branded high top walking shoes before. Adidas. Sorry, it's Adidas. Abibas. My apologies. Well, now, and Puma? No, it's Poma. P-O-M-A. Poma. Ah, that's the kicker. My apologies. Filler is Illa. N-A-I-K. That takes the cake in the corner. N-A-I-K. Nike. What are those?
Like a
Huh?
sour plum.
Sour plums. Is this they?
I asked, is sour or sweet? She
Yeah.
said delicious.
Delicious. Arayakun. Sour? No. Sweet?
Between.
Is it delicious though? Chinyangat? Good to that. Are these juices or are these sweet stuff to put on your sweet things? Okay.
Stuff, passion juice.
Passion juice. Of course, you want you haven't eaten as much jackfruit as you usually have. You have?
No,
No?
too busy.
Too busy to eat. Are you going to enjoy some jackfruit now?
I'm a bad man. Khmer. You should take that one that tastes better. But I usually eat them. I'm like, what about Khmer?
Ah, right. Such a troublemaker, Channa.
She was trying to give me the old one. The bad one.
She's trying to rip you off.
It's not really ripping off. It's
Yeah, if she's going to give you the shit ones, there's a rip. You're going to get ripped off.
Like it's for my mum. Don't give me the shit one.
Stand your ground. Good job. What are these things called?
Mango steam.
Mango steam.
What?
Oh, yeah. What does it taste like?
You want to try?
Yeah, give me a little. Wait. Alright, bit of mango steam. I don't know, it's very sweet, isn't it? Channa, do you like them too?
Oh, this?
Yeah, they are nice. What are these worth here, On? What are they worth here? $2 a kilo. And what are they worth at home in Australia?
Each.
$2
$3 each.
$2 to $3 each, and they're $2 a kilo here. Oh well, next time we come here, I'll be getting a couple of kilos of these things.
You like it?
Yeah, they're nice.
Want some more?
I'll just share with you. If I get too much of a taste, I'll develop this expensive habit in supermarkets in Australia. That's enough here from Picnic Street here in Siem Reap. Very, very local place where locals come to shop and buy local foods and local clothes. Oh, that's very nice. We'll see you next time. Or most probably very shortly on Mark's Bowley Interesting.